If you've ever pulled up Zillow to check what your North Georgia mountain home or cabin is worth and then stared at the number wondering if that's even close to being right, well, this video is for you. Here's the truth. Automated valuation tools like Zillow's Zestimate are built for suburban neighborhoods with dozens of similar homes selling every year. They are not built for a 3-bedroom log cabin on 5 wooded acres outside of Blue Ridge. They're not built for a mountain home with long-range views near Blairsville. And they are absolutely not built for a lakefront property on Lake Chautauqua in Hiawassee. In the North Georgia mountain market, Zillow's estimates are routinely off by 15 to 35% in either direction. On a $500,000 property, that's a swing of $75,000 to $175,000. And that is not a rounding error. That is the difference between a successful sale and a costly mistake. In this video, I'm going to walk you through exactly why automated tools fail for mountain properties, what actually drives value in the market, and how to get a home valuation you can actually trust. By the end, you're going to have a completely different understanding of what your North Georgia cabin or mountain home is really worth and why. I'm Chad Laracy with the Mountain Life Real Estate Team. We specialize in cabins, mountain homes, lakefront properties, and land across Blue Ridge, Ellijay, Blairsville, Hiawassee, and the surrounding counties. Let's get into it. Let's start with the tool everyone uses first and why it consistently fails in this market. Zillow's Zestimate, Redfin's estimate, Realtor.com's tool, even the home evaluation tool on our very own website. They all work exactly the same. The algorithm finds homes nearby that have sold recently, that runs a price per square foot math, and then it spits out a number. In a dense suburban market with high transaction volume and consistent property types, it actually works pretty well. But in the North Georgia mountains, nearly every condition that makes these tools work simply do not exist. First, low transaction volume. Cabin and mountain home sales in Fannin, Gilmer, Union, and Towns counties are a fraction of what happens in metro Atlanta. There are not enough recent comparable sales for an algorithm to draw from. And when the data is thin, the estimates get wild. Second, extreme property variability. Think about this, an 1,800 square foot cabin with a hot tub, long-range mountain views, and a strong Airbnb income history is a fundamentally different asset than an 1,800 square foot cabin on a flat lot with road noise and no views. Even if they're a mile apart, to Zillow, they almost look identical, and to a buyer, they are worlds apart. Third, non-standard property features. Private wells, septic systems, unpaved roads, seasonal accessibility, timber acreage. None of these factors are processed meaningfully by automated tools. They affect value significantly though. They just don't show up in the estimate. Fourth, short-term rental income. If your cabin is generating $50,000 to $60,000 a year or more on Airbnb or VRBO, that income history is a major asset. Investor buyers will pay a premium for a cabin with documented, proven rental track record. Zillow has no idea that that income stream even exists. And fifth, views and water access. Long-range mountain views can add 15 to 30% to a property's value in this market. Creekfront access, lake frontage, proximity to the Toccoa River, these are all premium features that buyers are specifically searching for and will pay for. An algorithm that can't see the view from your back porch cannot accurately price your home. The bottom line, in the North Georgia mountain market, don't start with a Zestimate. It's not your number. If Zillow can't tell you what your mountain home is worth, what or who can? Let's talk about the real value drivers. These are the 6 factors that a knowledgeable and local agent weighs when determining the actual market value of a North Georgia cabin or mountain home. This is the single biggest non-size driver of value in this market. A property with long-range mountain views, especially year-round mountain views, commands a measurable premium over comparable properties without them. Here's how it breaks down. Seasonal views, the kind you only get when the leaves are off in the winter, are worth something. But year-round panoramic views, those can push a property's value 20 to 35% above a comparable property without them. If your property has a view, an agent who doesn't know how to value it consistently undervalues your home. That view belongs in your price. If your cabin has been operating as a short-term rental on Airbnb or VRBO, that income history is a significant asset, and it needs to be properly presented to the right buyer. There is an entire category of buyers in this market who are specifically searching for North Georgia cabins with rental income history for sale. These are investor buyers who will pay a premium for a cabin with documented strong rental performance. They want to see your revenue history, your occupancy rates, and your average nightly rate. That data, properly packaged and marketed to the right audience, can meaningfully increase what your property sells for. Lakefront property on Lake Blue Ridge, Lake Notley in Union County, or even Lake Chattooga in Towns County commands a real and substantial premium over inland mountain properties. Even creek frontage and stream access adds value. The waterfront premium varies by body of water, lot position, and dock rights, and it's another factor that automated tools completely miss. If your property has water access, make sure your agent knows exactly how to value and market that feature. In the North Georgia mountains, buyers pay for land. A cabin on 5 private acres is worth more than the same cabin on half an acre, but the relationship is not linear. The acreage premium depends heavily on the quality and the usability of the land, the road access, the topography, and the timber value. An experienced local agent also knows the nuances here, how Gilmer County buyers price acreage versus how Fannin County buyers value it, and they're genuinely different. This is local knowledge that no algorithm has. Mountain properties, especially cabins that have been used as vacation rentals, experience accelerated wear. A cabin that has been well maintained, a new roof, updated HVAC, refreshed decks, modern kitchens, can command 10 to 20% more than an identical cabin with deferred maintenance. And here's the thing sellers often don't realize until it is absolutely too late. A property with known issues that haven't been addressed will face inspection challenges that erode value at the contract stage, often costing more than the repair would have cost up front. Condition matters, and it shows. Where your property sits within the North Georgia mountains matters significantly. A cabin 5 minutes from downtown Blue Ridge is priced differently than the same cabin 25 minutes away in rural Gilmer County. Proximity to the Toccoa River, Vogel State Park, Appalachian Trail access points, Lake Blue Ridge Marina, all of these factor into the value in ways that vary by buyer type and intended use. This is hyper-local knowledge. It doesn't exist in an algorithm. It lives within local agents who work this market every single day. One of the most common mistakes I see sellers make is assuming the mountain market is uniform from one end to the other, and it isn't. Each county has its own pricing reality, its own buyer pool, and its own story heading into 2026. So let me walk you through all 4. Blue Ridge and Fannin County remains the premium market in the region. Name recognition, tourism infrastructure, and the pull of downtown Blue Ridge keep demand and prices consistently higher than comparable properties in neighboring counties. Median prices for cabins and mountain homes in Fannin County have held firm despite broader market softening, particularly in the $350,000 to $700,000 range. So if you're selling in Fannin County, you're in the strongest market in the North Georgia mountains right now. Ellijay in Gilmer County has built a strong identity around its apple orchards, mountain biking trails, and a growing food and beverage scene that buyers genuinely respond to. Properties here are generally priced 10 to 20% below comparable Blue Ridge properties, which is actually a real selling point for buyers who've been priced out of Fannin County there in Blue Ridge. And if you're selling in Gilmer County, your buyer pool includes value-conscious second home buyers and investors who want strong short-term rental performance at lower entry prices. Now, Blairsville in Union County is a market in transition, and in a good way. Blairsville has attracted a significant retiree population, and Lake Notley continues to draw lakefront buyers. Prices here are competitive, and the market has real room to grow as buyers' awareness of the area increases. Lakefront properties on Lake Notley represent some of the best value in the entire region right now. A 200-foot lake lock in Union County is priced well below comparable Lake Blue Ridge frontage, but the gap is beginning to narrow. Hiawassee and Young Harris in Towns County remains the most undervalued market in the North Georgia mountains. And for sellers, that's both a challenge and an opportunity. Lake Chattooga is an extraordinary body of water, clean, expansive, straddling the Georgia-North Carolina line. Properties here are priced significantly below what comparable lakefront or mountain view homes command in Blue Ridge and there in Fannin County. So for sellers in Towns County, the key is accurate pricing and strong digital reach. Your buyer is absolutely out there. They may just not have heard of Hiawassee yet. That's where marketing makes all the difference in the world. So we've established what Zillow misses and what actually drives value. Now let's talk about the tool that actually works, a comparative market analysis, or better known as a CMA, from a local expert who knows this market. A comparative market analysis is the professional tool a knowledgeable local listing agent uses to establish what your property is worth in today's market. And it is fundamentally different from any automated estimate in 4 key ways. First, hand-selected comparables. An agent who knows your area selects the most relevant recent sales, not just the closest one geographically, but the ones that best reflect your property's features, condition, and buyer's appeal. This requires judgment, it requires local knowledge, and it cannot be automated. Second, adjustments for your specific attributes, views, rental income history, waterfront access, acreage, condition. All of these are factored in with real adjustments based on what buyers in this specific market have actually paid for those features. Not guesses, actual market data. Third, current market context. Days on market trends, active competition, buyer demand patterns, and seasonal timing all inform where to price your property to sell, not just to sit. A good CMA reads the moment as well as the data. And fourth, your goals. A good CMA isn't just about the highest possible number. It's about the price that gets you the outcome that you actually want. Whether that's maximal net proceeds, a fast close, certainty of sale, or some combination of all three. A well-executed CMA from a North Georgia mountain specialist gives you the realistic, defensible price range, not a wild estimate. Not a low ball designed to generate a quick listing. The real number and the strategy behind it. The right list price isn't the highest number you can imagine. It's the number that gets you the most money in the least time. And those aren't always the same thing. I want to be direct about something because I see this play out regularly in this market and the consequences are real. When a cabin or mountain home in Blue Ridge, Ellijay, or Blairsville is priced above market, whether that's based on a Zillow estimate, a neighbor's asking price, or just wishful thinking, here's what typically happens. The first 2 weeks pass with few or no showings. Active buyers in this market watch new listings daily. They are informed, they know the comps, they recognize overpricing immediately, and they move on. Then the days on market start to accumulate. And in a market where buyers are both informed and patient, a property that sits too long starts to carry a stigma. Buyers start asking, what's wrong with it? Why hasn't it sold? And that question alone costs you money. Then a price reduction becomes necessary. And here's the hard truth about price reductions. They signal weakness. Buyers who are already watching make lower offers than they would have at the correct price from day one. The property ultimately sells for less than it would have had it been priced right from the beginning. The seller chased the market down instead of letting the market come to them. This pattern plays out regularly in the North Georgia mountain market. It is entirely avoidable. Sellers who start with an accurate, professionally developed home valuation, a real CMA from a local expert, avoid it entirely. So here's where we are. Zillow is not your number. The 6 value drivers, views, rental income history, waterfront access, acreage, condition, and location are what actually determine what your North Georgia mountain property is worth. Each county tells a different story in 2026, and the only valuation you should rely on is a real CMA from a local expert who knows this market. So if you're curious about what your property is worth, whether you're ready to sell tomorrow or just starting to think about it, I want to help. I'm Chad Laracy with the Mountain Life Real Estate team, and we specialize in accurate, honest home valuations for cabins, mountain homes, lakefront properties, and vacant land across the North Georgia mountains, from Blue Ridge and Ellijay to Blairsville and Hiawassee. We don't use algorithms. We use real market knowledge, real comparable sales, and real experience with what buyers are paying for properties like yours right now in 2026. We offer a no pressure, no obligation comparative market analysis. No Zestimate, no guesswork, just real numbers. Visit themountainlifeteam.com to request yours today or drop a comment below and we'll reach out to you directly. And if you found this video useful, hit subscribe. I put out real, honest content about the North Georgia mountain market on a regular basis. No fluff, no hype, just what you actually need to know. Again, I'm Chad Laracy, and I'll see you on the next one.